Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to boost your data science resume with these 10 powerful keywords. Okay, so whenever you are preparing for any kind of data science interview, you are preparing the resume, but still you are not getting shortlisted due to some of the reasons. Okay, maybe that you have prepared the resume in a wrong way, or you are not prepared the resume with some of the most powerful keywords, or you have elaborated your resume with so much of the things which are not required in the resume, or you might not have included the projects in your resume. Okay, so today in this particular video, I am going to tell you some of the 10 powerful keywords which you can include in your resume whenever you are preparing for the data science interviews. Okay, so if you include these 10 powerful keywords in your resume, there are a lot of chances like you might be getting shortlisted for the interview and you might get the call. Okay, so if you include these 10 powerful keywords, that will really help you to find the data science jobs. Okay, so I will start from 10 and I will end with 1. Okay, so the powerful keyword number 10 is which you can include in your resume is cloud. Okay, especially like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Okay, so knowledge on cloud platform is very much important, and including the keywords related to the cloud, especially AWS, Azure, or GCP, that will really help you to fetch the job in data science. Okay, so that is at number 10. And the number 9 is pandas. Okay, so pandas, especially in Python, is very much important for data processing and all. So including the pandas keyword in the data science resume is really important, and this is also one of the powerful keyword whenever you are preparing for the data science interviews. Okay, and the number 8 is NumPy, that is numerical Python, which is also very much important, having a knowledge on NumPy and working on the NumPy. NumPy is basically used for working with the arrays and also for the linear algebra and all. Okay, so knowledge on NumPy pandas is very much important whenever you are preparing for the data science interviews. Okay, and the number 7 is the skill number 7, which is very important whenever you are preparing for the data science interview, is MySQL. Because MySQL is very much important whether you are preparing for the data science interview, you are preparing for the data engineering interview, or you are preparing for the business analyst interview, or any kind of role which is related to the data, especially if you are targeting for the data scientist role or the data engineering role. MySQL is very important whenever you are preparing the resume. Okay, so this is at number 7. And the number 6 skill, which is also very important whenever you are preparing for the data science interview, is Python programming. Because Python programming is very much essential for the data scientist role because of its effective features. Python is one of the most popular programming language in 2024. Okay, so Python is also one of the most powerful keyword which you can include in your resume. Okay, and the number 5 skill is big data. Big data skills is very much required if you are targeting for the data engineering role or if you are targeting for the data scientist. Okay, so including the big data keyword is very important, and it's very much essential because the recruiters or panelists, they will ask you the knowledge, whether you have the knowledge on any big data technology or the platform. Okay, so that is at number 5. And the number 4 is computer vision. So computer vision is also very much important. This is also one of the important keyword the most powerful keyword which you can include in your resume. Okay, and the number 3 is NLP. Okay, so there are a lot of openings in the market with respect to the NLP. If you have a knowledge just on NLP, like there are so many companies are ready to hire you. Okay, so just if you mention that you have worked on NLP for so and so number of years, and if you have a knowledge on NLP, and if you are very good in coding on NLP platform, that is very much, and it's more than enough to fetch any kind of data science tool. Especially if you are targeting for the data scientist role, there are a lot of openings with respect to the NLP. Okay, so that is at number 3, and the number 2 is, which is very important, like data visualization tools. Data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI, Power BI or Tableau. I really don't know the spelling wise. Just kindly excuse me if I'm wrong in the Tableau spelling. Okay, so that is at number 2, and the number 1 skill which most of the companies are looking for the data science role is Gen AI, that is generative AI, especially after the ChatGPT, Google Bot, and all. Like most of the companies, they are looking for the skill in Gen AI. Gen AI is one of the most important and one of the most powerful keyword, and it's one of the most important skill which you need to have in order to get a data scientist job. Okay, so some of the skills, like you may feel like these are the some of the new skills, but some 5 to 6 years back, and if you're targeting for the data scientist role, means if you have a knowledge on Python, NumPy, Pandas, and all, it was more than enough in order to get the data science jobs. But now the knowledge on Gen AI, especially if you have worked with Gen AI, it's more than enough to get a data scientist job. Okay, so these are all the top 10 powerful keywords which you need to include in your resume in order to get the data scientist job. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you liked this particular video. Please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.